The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series, our endeavor to empower techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is Test Data Management and Optimized Approach. Our guest speaker today is Prince Jay Kumar. He is the QAI guest speaker for today. He is a Senior Consultant, Quality Assurance and Testing Services Group at Hexaware Technologies. Prince Jay Kumar is a Senior Consultant of the Solutions Arm of Quality Assurance and Testing Services Group at Hexaware. His core competency includes consulting and streamlining test processes for large and complex testing programs in financial and banking sector. He has vast experience in managing test data support for large testing projects. He is proficient in deriving test data processes for different test types like functional, system integration testing, automation, and regression testing. He is AMFI certified and also certified in QTP and Quality Center. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker. Over to you, Prince.
Thank you so much, Aradhana, and hello everybody. She has given a brief about myself. So today's topic is on test data management. I just want to give what we have actually practiced in one of our projects, which could be of help to the industry experts, people who wanted to understand test data management. And in addition, they wanted to have the best practices to be implemented in their projects. So as part of this, the focus of this particular webinar will be on a case study on one of our projects and what kind of challenges that we faced and what made us to think and come out with a tool which can be handy, as well as what are the different best practices that we implement to make sure that the project was a successful implementation. So as we all know, test data management is a very broad subject, and it is a critical subject nowadays in testing industry. Generally, in the earlier days, test data was actually prepared on the fly, or the business users who actually create the test cases prepare the test data and test the applications. That's how it was earlier. And then the industry looked at different platforms, different tools, different way to synchronize the various teams to come out with test data methodologies. And similarly, they are moving towards some standard processes to address this key challenge, because test data is a very important factor which constitutes to some number of defects when it comes to testing. So keeping all those things in mind, I have put together this case study, and we will straight away go into the presentation now. So just give me a minute. I'm just moving to the next slide. Yeah. So the contents for today's webinar is to give you what is this webinar is all about, and what is our business case, and the tools that we have created as part of testing, the optimization mechanism. I'm going to talk with a particular example in it, and also the best practices the teams should follow in order to reap the benefits of test data management. And finally, we'll see how we have addressed the challenges altogether. That's the idea. Moving on